Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Viber chat hidden password. First of all, open your Viber application. Now click on this three dot icon on the bottom. Here, select settings. Now select privacy. Slowly scroll down. Here you can see the option of hidden chats. Click on it, and there is the option of change PIN. Click on it. Here enter the previous PIN that you have kept for the hidden chat in Viber. Now you can reset the PIN and write a new PIN. Make sure that you enter the PIN that you will remember. So now the Viber hidden chats PIN is reset. So this is the easiest and fastest way to reset your hidden chat Viber PIN. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps.